While Samsung has recently tried to keep a lid on information flow before release, most details of the Galaxy S23 series have somehow still managed to leak over the past week. The latest, however, reveals more than ever before, showcasing the Galaxy S23 Ultra in the flesh for the first time. We already have everything about the Samsung upcoming lineup. As in previous video yesterday, we saw the hands-on video of the S23 Ultra model, which was in green color, revealing its full design. While there have been multiple leaks around the upcoming Galaxy S23 series, this is the first time the Galaxy S23 Ultra has been seen in flesh. Today, we have an exclusive unboxing video from a reliable source, TechDroider. And as we can see here, this is a slim package as the iPhone 13 series. We got our first hands-on with the phantom black color. It's no point in actually seeing a phone unboxing video these days, but for those who wonder, it will get a phone and a cable inside the box along with a SIM ejection tool. It also gives us the first look at the front of this 23 Ultra that we have seen earlier in our previous video. Samsung is in a weird position right now as the Unpacked event is still a few days away and we already have hands-on videos and even unboxing videos. As we can, the side frames looks flat, which gives an illusion that is thicker than the S22 Ultra. This confirms that the upcoming smartphone will have a flatter display compared to last-gen S22 Ultra. There's not much new on show, however, but the massive leak confirms the 4 color options of the upcoming flagship: phantom black, green, cream, and lavender. The phones are on display at the retail store and look to be up for sale already as well. Meanwhile, from the same source, we got our first camera sample video showing S23 Ultra in action, and it confirmed that the device still has 100x zoom while shooting with 200 megapixels. By far comparing it with the last-gen S22 Ultra, the 100x zoom is looking quite impressive, although it's not a clear video. But we can definitely tell that Samsung has done a tremendous job this time. This also confirms the rumor about the Ultra Stabilization mode in upcoming lineup. Also verified via the camera app are 8K 30fps video recording and of course a 200 megapixels photo mode. It's still 9 days left, but we have almost everything about the device. There will be tons of S23 Ultra leaks leading up to the event, and I'll make sure to keep you updated with each and every one of them. If you enjoyed the video, then a sub to the channel will be massive. See you for the next time. Peace out.